backing onto the picturesque Riverside Golf Course and situated within the prestigious Eagle Ridge on the Green community on the most coveted street of Pickering Village, welcome to 64 Roberson Drive, a magnificent 4+1 bedroom John Boddy home with 5 washrooms and a showpiece of refined elegance. Arched second-story windows bring your attention to the charming gingerbread trims, extensive stone interlocking, a lush lawn, and a front garden of shrubs and trees enhances the impeccable curb appeal. And the befitting welcome into this home is its stately front entrance with a faux balcony above, exterior columns, and front doors with an arched transom. Immaculate earth-tone tiled flooring flows from the foyer into a side hall and its related spaces, and through the reception hall into the kitchen area, while hardwood flooring brings rich warmth to the living, dining, and family rooms. The living room also having interior columns gracing its entrance from the hallway, this room bathed in light streaming through its oversized window. While generous in their size, the warm tones of the living and dining room wall colors envelop these elegant entertaining spaces with an aura of intimacy, which is further enhanced in the dining room with the ambient glow of a timeless light fixture with a medallion that is suspended from an octagonal-shaped coffered ceiling. This room additionally features 2 accent windows, direct access from the kitchen, and the added elegance of a double French door entry from the reception hall. A grand space for gathering of family and friends, the family room has a soaring cathedral ceiling and is open to the above level. Its 2-story arched window complete with custom drapery and offering views of the golf course, with this room having the added warmth of a gas fireplace surrounded by a stackstone style facade. Impressive in its size, its open layout offering exceptional functionality, the gourmet kitchen will delight the home chef. This space showcasing an island with seating, plus a chef's desk, tiled backsplashes and stone countertops, an arched window with golf course views above the stainless steel sink, stainless steel appliances that include a dishwasher, gas range, and fridge, as well as beautiful wood cabinetry with crown moldings, under cabinet lighting, and a large pantry in the breakfast area. The kitchen and its breakfast area both have upgraded light fixtures, and the sliding door walkout and its accent windows all have roller blinds for light diffusion and privacy. The walkout opening onto a raised deck in a fully fenced backyard, which overlooks the lush manicured greenery of the Riverside Golf Course. The main level also features mirrored door coat closets in the foyer and the side hall. This side hall additionally having access to the double car garage, as well as having a laundry room with cabinetry and closet storage, a built-in desk, washer and dryer, and a secondary side door entrance, plus a powder room, its vanity having a stone counter and an upgraded light fixture. To both the upper and lower levels are spiral oak hardwood staircases, the upper level showcasing hardwood flooring throughout, 4 spacious bedrooms, 3 washrooms, and a hallway that is open to both the main level's family room and foyer, and which is brightened with both pot lighting and natural light streaming through John Boddy's iconic 8-sided skylight. The second, third, and fourth bedrooms all feature double closets and can accommodate sitting or study areas. The third bedroom also has a large window with quarter-round transoms at each end. While the second bedroom, which makes an ideal guest suite, features a vaulted ceiling with a Palladian-style window, as well as a 4-piece ensuite washroom with a tiled floor and bath area, a vanity with a stone counter, and an upgraded light fixture. And next to this bedroom is the main 4-piece washroom, which features a linen closet right outside the door, tiled finishes, a vanity with stone counter, undermount basins, and upgraded lighting, the privacy of a water closet, and a glass shower. The incredibly spacious master suite showcases a sitting area along its turret wall of windows, with another separate window in the bedroom area, all which provide views of the golf course. This exceptionally private retreat also has a ceiling fan and 2 walk-in closets, as well as a spa-like ensuite washroom with tiled finishes throughout, a glass shower with wall niches and rainfall and handheld shower heads, upgraded lighting, a wraparound corner vanity with stone counter and undermount basins, a step-up jetted tub, and a water closet. The fully finished walkout lower level is an entertaining oasis. And off the tiled landing are French doors opening into a massive recreation space with 3 distinct areas for good times with family and friends. Finished with laminate flooring, pot lighting, decor columns, a speaker system, and above-grade oversized windows, this level has a stunning wet bar and conversation area featuring a wall of built-in display shelves with accent lighting, stacked stone-style facades along both the bar seating wall and the back wall, a stainless steel sink, plus ample cabinetry storage including a wine rack, stemware rack, and display shelves. The games area includes a pool table and its light, while the media room features display shelves with accent lighting, built-in cabinet storage, and a TV wall niche. This level also has 2 storage areas, and the side hall off the media area features a bonus room with ample closet storage and track lighting, as well as a 3-piece washroom with a tiled floor, a pedestal sink, and a corner glass shower. While the sliding door walkout from the games area opens onto a large wood deck that is partially covered by the deck above it. With the manicured fairways of Riverside Golf Course just beyond its backyard, this home is also walking distance to highly rated Eagle Ridge Public and Pickering High Schools, the Duffins Creek Conservation Area, as well as the boutique shops and restaurants within the heart of historic Pickering Village. With the GO Station, the Pickering Town Centre and Durham Centre shopping malls, and access to highways 401 and the 407 all just short drives away.